Hey guys, so today we will be learning constants in Python. So what are constants in Python? So Python don't have any real constant. So constant are basically variables whose value doesn't change. Like suppose this is a variable and we are writing a value of 3.14 and or maybe anything, any value, and we want it to stay constant throughout the program. In this particular scenario, we can use uh, constant. So ideally, Python don't have constant, which means that if we are using, doing this thing into Java, it will throw an error. But in Python, we don't have any constant. So that is the reason why we have to capitalize it, and developers use it only for the readability purpose. So suppose we run this particular thing. So see, it is printing 5, and so it is saying constant, but it is get updating it. So we can't do all these things. I mean, in other language, in Python we can change comments. Ideally we shouldn't be changing comments, and we write the comments in all caps, all capital letter, which is the most important point in this whole I mean, to go this video, that how we should write constants. It should be like pi, it should be in the top of the file, not here. So, and it should be written, and it should not be modified across anywhere in the file or in the whole program. So this is why we are using Python, and we can, it is used for better readability, and we can name API keys and other things using for constant with all caps. So guys, please kindly, like, share, subscribe this video. Thanks for, being such a great audience. Thanks a lot.